Now let us discuss the second complement of the given equation. Okay, the second complement is also used in the subtraction of two different binary numbers. Okay, so second complement is the binary number that results when we add 1 to the first complement. Okay, if we add 1 in the first complement of the given binary number, then we get the second complement or 2's complement reset of the given binary number. Okay, let us take one more example. Okay, if we have the question is find 2's complement of 101111 of binary number. Okay, so we will convert the given binary number 101111, that is one binary number, we will convert into the first complement or ones complement. So as we discussed earlier, if we want to convert the given binary number into the first complement or ones complement of the number, then we have to invert each and every bits of the binary number into the another form. So if we have 1, then we will convert into 0. If we have 0, then we will convert into the 1. If we have 1, then we will convert to 0. If we have 1, then we will convert to, if we have 0, then we will convert into 1. If we have 1, then we will convert into 0. So this one is the first complement of the given question. First complement. Okay, and we want to convert into the 2's complement of the given question. So we have to add 1 into the first complement, then we get the 2's complement of the given question. Okay, so if we add 1 in the given question, we get the 2's complement of the number. Okay, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then remaining bits are 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, and 0 plus 0 0. This one is the 2's complement of the given question. 2's complement of the given question. Okay, this one is also used in the subtraction of two different binary numbers. Okay, so I think the concept is clear. If we want to convert in the first complement, then we have to invert each and every bits of the given question, and if we want to convert into the 2's complement format of the given question, then we have to first get first complement of the given question, and then we have to add 1 in the first complement, so we get 2's complement of the given question. Clear? There is one shortcut method to get the 2's complement of the given question. For example, if we have a number 110100 in a binary number, and we have to convert into the 2's complement directly without converting into the first complement. So method says that if you check from right hand side to left hand side and get first one up to first one, write all the bits as it is. So I get at the third place, I get 1 at the third place of the given question. Okay, so write all the bits up to first one. Okay, and invert each and every bits of the given question. So next one bit, that is 1, next one bit, that is 0, next one bit, that is 1, and last one bit, that is 0. So this one is the direct format of the given question into the 2's complement. 2's complement. Okay, so this one is the final method to convert the given binary number into 2's complement. Okay, first you have to convert the given binary number into 1's complement, and then you have to add 1 in the given 1's complement to get the final answer in 2's complement. There is one shortcut method to get the 2's complement of the given binary equation directly without converting into 1's complement. Okay, so this method is a shortcut method, so you cannot use in the examination, but you can verify with the help of the shortcut method is your answer is correct or not. Okay, so let us take one more example to learn a shortcut method to convert the binary number into 2's complement directly without converting into one's complement. Okay, for example, you have the equation is 10 1 1 1 0 0 in binary format, and you have to convert the 2's complement of the given equation. Okay, so method says that watch from right hand side to left hand side and get one position at which you have a number 1. Okay, so we have at the 1 at the third place of the given question. Okay, from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, write each and every bits as it is until you find first one. Okay, you have find 1 at the third place of the given question. Okay, so write up to that place all the bits as it is. Okay, write each and every bits after third position in inverted format. Okay, so at the fourth place we have 1, so inverted format of 1 is equal to 0. At the fifth position we have 1, so invert that bit into 0. At the sixth place we have 0, so invert that bit into 1, and the last bit, that is 1, then invert that bit into 0. Okay, so this one is the direct format of the, so this one is the 2's complement format of the given question directly without converting into first complement. If you want to verify, then you can verify with the help of first complement. Okay, the normal method. So if you convert the given question into one's complement, then you get 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 into the first complement method. Okay, this one is the first complement of the given question. Okay, this one is the first complement. Okay, and if you add 1 into the given question, then 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 in the equation, then you get 2's complement. Okay, if I add 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, again sum is 0, carry is 1, then 1 plus 0 plus 0, you get 1, then 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, and 0 plus 0 0. This one is the 2's complement of the given binary equation, and I think it is a similar that we get in with the help of shortcut method. Okay, so this way you can convert directly into the 2's complement of the given question. Okay.